Good morning from Krk. We're kicking off day 2 with some breakfast fuel before sending our drone sky high. From up here you can clearly see the iconic church, the majestic castle, and just behind them the beautiful Plaža Portopisana that we're going to visit later on. The marina looks absolutely amazing with its incredibly clear waters and the wide range of boats anchored everywhere. It looks like we have a clear sky ahead of us and a super busy day planned, so I better go get ready. With our aerial mission complete, we hit the narrow, stone-covered streets, making our way towards the beach. We're deep in the heart of Old Town, and from here it's a beautiful winding journey through these ancient alleys towards the Krk Marina. We emerge from a beautiful stone archway and suddenly we're greeted by this lively marina promenade. Restaurants line both sides, boats gently bob on the docks, and the water is just unbelievably clear. We head around the marina, making our way to KUPALIŠTE JEŽEVAC Beach. Along the way, we pass some cool souvenir stalls, and then, believe it or not, the path actually cuts right through the middle of what looks like a round restaurant. We grab some quick frames of the boats dancing on the water, get another amazing overview of the old town as we move further away, and even spot tiny fish swimming right there in the marina between the boats. At this point, we officially step onto KUPALIŠTE JEŽEVAC Beach. What a perfect spot! It's a beautifully clean pebble beach. We're incredibly lucky that today there aren't many visitors. This gives us ample space to truly unwind and enjoy the tranquility. Julia gets our beach towels all sorted, laying them out on pristine stones ready for a day of sun. And for me, it's straight into launching the drone again. From up here, I'm able to see some truly breathtaking sights. Wide, sweeping views of the bustling marina, the entire coastline stretching out in a magnificent arc, and the clear, shimmering blue of the Adriatic Sea meeting the shore. It's an incredible perspective that truly highlights Krk's stunning natural beauty from the hidden coves of its vibrant port. It's absolutely amazing to think that this island, Krk, has such a deep and vibrant history. Its roots stretch all the way back to ancient Roman times, and it has stood for centuries as a significant maritime port and a thriving cultural hub. We spend the next few hours swimming and relaxing in the sun. As the afternoon winds down, at around 5 o'clock we begin our walk back to our stay. Here we can see Captain Bubbles on his evening stroll. We first meander to the lively marina, taking in the late afternoon light on the water, then transition into a lush green park adjacent to the waterfront, a peaceful contrast to the earlier bustle. After that, we re-enter the old town through its ancient gates, passing through Vela Plaza Square. That ice cream looks inviting, but first we have to eat. We make our way through those already familiar narrow stone streets that are filled with cafes, tourist shops and restaurants. On the way we also find Nemo, in case somebody's looking for him. Once we're home, it's time for some well-deserved dinner. Tonight we're whipping up some delicious cevapcici with a fresh rucola salad and some fiery hot peppers, the perfect local fuel after a day of exploring. And just as the sun begins its dramatic descent, I can't resist sending the drone up one more time. I'm loving this new perspective I can achieve and find the views to be absolutely breathtaking. Beyond its Roman past, Krk holds an amazing, truly unique place in history. This golden island is considered to be the very cradle of Croatian literacy, famously nurturing the ancient Glagolitic script. Its medieval heritage, deeply rooted in written culture, adds an incredible layer to its story. As darkness settles, we head back out for an evening stroll through the cozy, tight stone streets, now transformed by the soft glow of streetlights. We pass the iconic church, its ancient tower bathed in an incredible orange glow from the lingering sundown. We continue by walking through the church's ancient passage and we emerge onto the Grand Frankopan Castle Square. The air feels steeped in history here. Then we continue through a small, charming park nestled near the castle, perched right on top of the old fortification walls. From this elevated vantage point, we're treated to truly incredible sweeping views of the sea stretching out before us and the distant lights of Plaža Portopisana. As we're further exploring the busy streets, we find a path that seems to lead to Plaža Portopisana itself. Here, the Krk Old Town fortress looks absolutely stunning against the deepening twilight. The narrow streets call us to wander further. Bars and restaurants are teeming with visitors, and we find ourselves drawn into the enticing local shops, hunting for souvenirs. It's truly enchanting, a magical end to a day as the historic walls glow against the night sky, telling centuries of stories. As night falls upon the town, wrapping us in its peaceful embrace, we slowly make our way back to our cozy stay, calling it a perfect, unforgettable end to an amazing day in Krk.